I'm given my force vector, therefore I know Fx, I know Fy, I know Fz. I could easily take the magnitude of that, and I would even know the magnitude F. So I go back to my formula sheet here and find out which of these equations would help me to find alpha, beta, and gamma. So not this. This has no information about the direction cosine. Neither does this. This one looks pretty good because it says if I know the components of the x, y, and z of the force along with the magnitude of the force, I should be able to find the direction cosines alpha, beta, and gamma. So I'm not even going to analyze the equations on this sheet. I'm just going to end up using that equation. So the solution then becomes cosine alpha is equal to f of x over f. And let's see, f of x was equal to 56.6. That's given to us. We now need to find f, which is just the magnitude of that force. And we find that by squaring each term and adding them all together. And that turns out to be 80 newtons. So cosine alpha turns out to be f of x, which is 56.6 newtons, divided by f, which is 80 newtons. And I get that alpha is 45.6 degrees. Likewise, for cosine beta, I need the y component over the magnitude of the force. So that would be 40 divided by 80 newtons. And that would give me 60 degrees. And finally, cosine gamma is just the z component, f of z over a. Right? It would be f of z over f. That would give us the 40 newtons for the z component divided by the magnitude, which is 80 newtons, and that would give me 60 degrees. And that's the answer.